What's up, guys? It's your boy, back at you with another video. Just opening up the office right now. Yeah, man. Went to the car boot this morning. I got this stupid bobble hat on. Yeah, man. This is basically all I could find. I've had this hat for about 10 years, maybe longer. It's still fresh because it's ugly and I've never wore it. I give it to my son. He don't even wear it. But today, I had to wear it. So basically, went to the boot sale this morning, guys. It was thrashing it down with rain like yesterday, all night. This morning, it was still raining. One car boot was like wet on. So I was like, fuck it, I'm going. It's raining. It was raining, all the way. It was just raining. It was raining their way there. It was raining at the boot sale. There's about 5 people there, all leaving and that. It was mad. I think it stopped raining for about an hour. But I got a couple things. And then I went to this second car boot, which is closer to me. It's like a local one, which I avoid. It's on a car park, so it doesn't get people don't get stuck in the mud and that. So they try and open it. It was sunny over there. I went to that one after. It was sunny, but there's barely any people there because it was raining in the morning. So it's been a joke, like this week and last week. I barely got anything, but today, obviously now all my eBay money is in eBay, so I can pay a little bit more for things, and I can take more risks because all my money's rolling over on itself. It's getting mad already. Basically, at the end of this, each and every month up until a certain point, when I reach freedom, I'm gonna be doing like updates of how I've done for the month, like how much I've sold, how much I've made, and how much is left over. Like, because obviously you make money, but then a lot of these calculations don't include, like, you might say I've spent this much to make this much, but you haven't said how much you've spent as well on shit that hasn't sold, and then how much is left over. So I feel like that'd be a good comparison to make in these updates. It would be good for myself to look at as well. And if it's actually made a difference to keep all the money in eBay, because before, guys, I was living off my eBay earnings, so there wasn't really much left over. Whereas now I have a full-time job as well as ramping up my eBay. So we'll see if there's any money left over and if this really works, because I'm about to find out at the end of this month, yeah, mate. Because we're going ham. I ain't slowing down. Rain or no rain, we out here. But anyway, guys, I'll show you what I got. Enough talking. I got some decent stuff considering it was raining and there was no one there. But it kind of went on the plus side for me a little bit because I got some good shit. I'll flip the camera around now and show you what we got. Yeah, so one sec. I was just seeing to think how much money have I got left as well, and I can tell you guys how much we spent. Okay, so I took £40 today. I've got about £10 left, but I spent probably £5 on myself. I got my son a lunchbox for £1. I spent 50p on DVDs. I don't know, I spent a little bit on myself, you get me, so, which I reimburse myself for that money, I guess. First thing I got for 50p, guys, is these vintage 1996 Warner Brothers bowls. They're just bowls, man. I just thought, they're not damaged or anything, there's just a bit of mud on the side of them. I thought that's something for 50p, you get me? I like collecting vintage stuff like that. Like, I'm getting a little collection going at the minute, guys, of like vintage, nostalgic stuff. This, let me get a cloth. This is an ex-rocker chair. It's in really good condition, guys. That's just a bit of mud on there, that will just wipe straight off. There's no damage to it at all, honestly. Let me flip it over so you can see. So it has the thing on the side there to plug your headphones in or whatever, and then the bottom's in really good nick. I'll wipe this down, you get me, and it will look good as new, you get me. You will not believe, these are quite, I don't know what the market's like now, but I've seen them before, I've price comped them before, but they're always too expensive, you get me. For one, this condition, I don't know, guys, but I'm willing to put a bet on 50, in between £50 and £200. I could be way off. Could be way cheaper, but it's an ex-rocker basically. They're like a proper thing, you get me? Like the £3. £3 I got this for because it was raining. Boy, I'm excited to price comp this, but I remember I got my son, like, I wanted to get him like a gaming chair. I ended up getting him a cheap beanbag. But these was on eBay for money at the time, so guys, let me know about this X-Rocker, you know what I mean, because I'm excited about this. And it folds down nicely and it'll fit in a box, you get me? I'll have to get a big box, but it'll fit. Bumba cleat. Alright, so what else did we get, guys? We didn't get a lot today, but we got some stuff from... I'm just excited about that chair, to be honest. I don't even know what else I got. I got this TV. I know I said I wasn't selling TVs. I've got 2 TVs up there. I only buy these little ones. One of them was £2 and the other one was 4, I think. This one was 12. Now, I paid 12 because I've got those both. One's listed for 45 because it doesn't have the remote. The one with the remote is listed for like 53. This one's slightly better condition than both of them. So I'm thinking, and that also, guys, they're the cheapest 2 on eBay unless someone's undercut me. That's my model. I'm usually the best, or at least the best value for money if I have a reason to be slightly higher or whatever. So this one I'm looking to price at like 55 quid. That's why I paid 12 for it, guys, so take that into account. If it doesn't get smashed up by I've only ever sold 2 TVs before this, and both of them been completely smashed, but I keep seeing them there for £2, £5. I can't leave them, you get me? So I'm going to have to find a way to box them better to make sure they get there, because it's not heavy, you get me? It's really light, so there's no reason why I can't box it right, you get me? It's just one of them. So we got this, guys, this Alex Rider complete book set according to the guy. Guess we'll find out, but this was £2, you get me? So we got those Alex Rider books. What else did we get? Like I said, guys, we didn't get a lot, you get me, but there might be one more thing downstairs. I'm pretty sure there's at least one more thing downstairs. Yeah. We got this Dyson, this like vintage Dyson. Paid £4 for it. I don't know if it's working because it's pissing it down, but I thought I can take the bin off. The bin, I sold one of these bins for 15 quid before, but the only problem is this one. That other bin got returned actually because the handle was cracked on it. So, but this one's not cracked, it's a chip, so you can still hold its weight. So I'm hoping this will be worth something. Can the pipe come off on these ones? Yeah, I can take this wand off potentially, and the pipe down the back, and then sell the base if it's not worth it like that. If it works, I'll sell it, but if it's obviously not faulty, I'll part it out. So I got that. I'm just seeing if I got anything else. Oh yeah, I got these for work, guys, because my work boots are so beat up. I haven't got them. I'll show you them actually, because I got my work boots here. I basically got myself some work boots. Let some light in. I got myself these for £3. A bit of mud splashed on the front, but they literally look brand new, guys. You get me? Better quality than my ones. Steel toe cap. And these are my ones. The reason I need new ones is because, look, the back's got like holes in, and like the soles have fallen out and shit. You can't see now anyway, but they're fucked up basically. I got myself some new work boots. Gotta have some form of comfort whilst doing my slave duties. You get me? So, that must be all we got, guys. I know I didn't get a lot, so we got one item, which is the Dyson Hoover. Let me quickly leg it upstairs. Yeah, so we got one, the Hoover, the X-Rocker, that's 2, TV, that's 3 items, the books, that's 4. Oh, there's a big ass box behind me, guys. I knew I got something. I didn't actually get this from the car boot sale, I got it from the charity shop, because I popped to the charity shop after the boot sales. Because my kids go back to school tomorrow. One of them needs a rucksack, and the other needed a little lunchbox thing. I managed to get the lunchbox thing from the charity shop for £1. praise the Lord. But I didn't get a bag. So my youngest son, he's got like a... Basically, my youngest son's in nursery and they say you have to bring spare clothes at the start of everything. But I'll just give him some spare clothes in a plastic bag tomorrow, and then I'll get him a rucksack through the week at the boot sale. Because I'm not paying Tesco's prices for none of that shit. You get me? I refuse. Anyway, I got this The Rock 2014 storage case thing. I don't know what it is, but it's in good condition. It's some form of coated cardboard. It's got like, it's good. It's basically like buttons together on the corners. It's got like metal handles, and it says 24/7 365, representing like working hard as fuck. Yeah, yeah. And it's a good size, man. Good condition. It's got like, it's official WWE or something. On the bottom, it's got the stamp and that, 2014. All rights reserved. That was £3 anyway. I don't know if it was worth it. I couldn't find any comps. The reason I got that little shit and I dropped my phone was because it's over here actually. I had a bunch of these comic book boxes. This is all I've got left. I'm probably just gonna burn it or something. Maybe I could sell it. It's just like a lid. I had one spare lid. I had like these comic book boxes. This is a Fantastic Four one. The last one I sold, which was for the most. All the Fantastic Four ones I only sold for about 15. Had some Wakanda Forever things for about, I sold them for about 15. But then I had one rare one. I wanted to keep it, but I should have kept it, man, because I know to rebuy that shit I'm gonna have to. Well, I'm probably never gonna rebuy it, but it's like my favorite, one of my favorite things. Why did I sell it? Sometimes I sell shit and I should just keep it. It was a comic book box and it was Predator, like a Predator Marvel comic book box. I didn't even know Predator was part of Marvel. Like, it was mad. It was sick. I'll bring up a picture of it now, guys, because it was so sick. I sold it for maybe 45, but I should have kept hold of that. But that's gone now anyway. That's why I got this box, was because I sold all those and I was like, box! The Rock WWE 10 years old, it's good condition, it's cool, and it's got pink on for girls and that, you get me, unless some guys might like pink, I don't know. You get me, it's got to be worth fucking 15 quid. You know what I mean? My bad, I ran out of space on my phone, so we're going to have to be quick. Basically, that's what I was talking about, is I don't mind taking a little bit of a risk. I know this will sell. For how much, I'm not sure. I might find one now I'm at home, I sit down and have a bit of time to look. But basically, guys, that's basically all I got today. I keep saying basically. I was watching some video with some dickhead on YouTube talking about don't say basically all the time when you're having speeches and that and doing public. I'm not public speaking, first of all. It's in my bedroom, you get me? It's in the spare room in my house, you get me? It's like fucking 11:30 in the morning shit. If I want to say basically, I'll say it, motherfucker. No, joking. I do need to start saying so. I need to improve my speech, I know that. But that'll come with time. I don't talk to no one, that's the problem. I sit here talking to a camera, talking shit, and my speech pattern has not changed since I was about 19, because I stopped socialising at about 19. Get me, so. I've spoken to anyone in many years. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I've got to talk about today, get me? We didn't get a lot. Let me know what you think about this X-Rocker. If anyone's on a similar journey to me, hit me up in the comments, you get me? Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see me if I fail or succeed. Either or, you get me? But other than that, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through. I'll see you guys in the next video. I wish everyone luck out there who's trying to strive, you get me? Well, we don't actually need luck. You just need yourself. And you need to teach yourself to be consistent and hard working, and you'll be fine. But other than that, a little bit of luck never hurt anyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. And we out!